Constable Martin received a gunshot wound to the head and was taken to hospital where he died.
Mankind no love. Yo dog, they don't have no feeling.
Hey people, so welcome back to another video. So Constable Martin was a young police officer who just graduated from the force. He was said to be an humble individual, and he came home to look for his family and got shot in his head by people in the community. Well, allegedly, cause no one knows, but it was said to be someone in the community. It wasn't said directly in the video, but the lady that was representing his mother was talking like the person who did it had bad mind towards the young man.
Rough family. Rough. Can walk in the whole community, the whole of Frog City, Livery Kids Close, any how you want to call it. Ask anybody about Martin. Them describe him as the one when I talk. Him not talk. Decide say ma hold up him head out of poverty. He ma take him mother out of poverty. And him go school, get him subject them, and decide say him go turn police. This is the result. Him no reach here not even 10 minutes good. Him come say him look for him nephew and him mother. And end up out there so. And this is the result. Want justice for this. Want police them for go harder than hard. Because trust me, it rough. It rough him mother not take it easy. Should not take it easy, none at all. Trust me, my body just feel numb because it's shocking. It's shocking. It's something we will not expect. But we just have to give God thanks and we are pray. I pray, we are fear pray right now because I don't know how to explain all of this.
You can clearly see that the area is from in Kingston is a part of rural Kingston. So you know that there's going to be a lot of people there that don't have a job or don't have a proper job or gunmen. Not saying that all places have it, but you know that there are going to be a lot of people there. And once you make it, especially becoming a police officer, them just have a bad mind him because them probably feel like him will come cause them problem. Or them just not like police officers overall. So them just decide to kill him. And clearly, his gunmen kill him because him get shot. So, may I say, when you turn police officer, you have to keep a low profile because you don't know who watch you, or who bad mind you, or who hate you. Because people, when you turn police officer, people just go hate you for nothing at all. Even when you never do them nothing. Just because another police officer do them something.
The information in relation to the shooting to contact the St. Andrew South Police, the Halfway Tree Police, or they may call Crime Stop or 119. Any information at this time will be valuable to the investigators because we are determined that we are going to find the killers of Constable Martin.
You see how the man them fool cause now them are going to just have police search up the area and them probably have to go in and hide and them thing there. But let me know what's your thought on that.
Jashii the skeng wicked.
Jashii calls King Wicked cause him sing about this.
Pop Molly whole place get bloody up. Fully psyched up.
People say Jashii ungrateful because a skeng help put him on the map. Cause you used to see him in a skeng music video them.
And shake it, skate past pan the gangers and wave it. Yo dog, hear this, Spain town self squeeze it.
You can clearly see that is Jashii in a skeng music video. But the question is, him never knows a skeng a cokehead. Why you parody him to get a bus then? And as I get a bus, I could style him as cokehead. Everybody knows a skeng ma talking in the video. But him just a play like him smart.
Tell a boy don't ramp on my street quick. Me hold him and kill him.
Anyway people, that is it. Let me know what your thoughts in the comment about the police officer shooting situation and Jashii and Skeng. Let me know what your thoughts. And remember to like the video and subscribe.
Just in a black top banks, them know we never shot a strap.
No shot a shot, my boy gun, you never double my shot, yeah.